Yes, so now we are discussing about food business. In that today we are discussing about chocolates. How do you make chocolates? Mix together in a bowl or food processor until smooth. Add the combined sugar and salt to the cocoa mixture. Pour in milk slowly while stirring thoroughly to remove any lumps. Pour the mixture into shaped molds or other containers, then refrigerate for at least 6 hours or until the chocolate hardens. Then you will get a very good chocolate. And next point is how is the chocolates made? The seeds of the choco tree have an intensive bitter taste and must be fermented to develop the flavor. After fermentation, the beans are dried, cleaned and roasted. The shell is removed to produce cocoa nibs, which are then ground to cocoa mass. Unadulterated chocolates in rough form. And next point is how do they make milk chocolates? The sugar and milk are first blended together, then they are mixed with chocolates, liquor and flavorings and dried to create a substance called milk chocolates crumb. Next, additional cocoa butter is blended with the crumb and the mixture is sent through the standard conching and refining processes. And next point is where is chocolates come from? Chocolates come from cocoa beans which grew on trees in Central America and South America starting probably about 100 million years ago. Cocoa trees may have gotten their start on the lower slopes of the Andes mountains. Cocoa trees can only live in hot, rainy places near the equator. And next point is what are the ingredients for milk chocolates? The basic ingredients for milk chocolates are sugar, cocoa butter, chocolates, liquor and milk. Although the relative quantities vary, some may appear in different forms. For example, milk, whole milk powder, condensed milk, milk fat, etc. And next point is what are the main ingredients in chocolates? Ingredients: milk, dark and white chocolates all contain sugar, cocoa butter, full cream milk powder, cocoa liquor, lecithin, vanilla and cocoa. Dark chocolates contains the least amount of added ingredients. Milk chocolates has the least amount of cocoa liquor and white chocolates contains the most flavorings. And next point is types of chocolates. Chocolates most commonly comes in dark, milk and white varieties with cocoa solids contributing to the brown coloration. Swiss milk chocolates, a bar of dark baking chocolates with a minimum cocoa content of 40%. Semi-sweet chocolates, chips, tempered converter chocolates, while chocolates bar. And next point is dark chocolates vegan? For all of you chocolates loving vegans out there, the answer is yes. Chocolates can be vegan. Chocolates is made from cocoa beans which are grown on cocoa trees. This means that chocolates is inherently a plant-based food. Next point is best chocolates for baking. The 7 brands of baking chocolates tested were found in different grocery and specialty stores. Bakers Ghirardelli, Lindt 99% and Nestle, that is Scharfenberger, Valrhona and Callebaut. Even each brownie was compared based on taste, texture and appearance. And next point is flavor of chocolates. Chocolates are made from cocoa beans. The seeds of cocoa, the raw cocoa beans have an intense bitter taste and must be processed to bring out their characteristic flavors. And next point is, these are the following items to make homemade chocolates. 3/4 cup cocoa powder, 1 cup powdered sugar, 1/3 cup milk powder, 3/4 cup unrefined virgin coconut oil, 2 tablespoons chopped nuts, 1 glass water. Next point is, take a vessel with 1 glass of water, boil it, mix cocoa powder, sugar powder, milk powder with unrefined virgin coconut oil, stir well. In the market defined chocolate bowls will be there with small chocolate sized holes. Pour the chocolate cream into that, then put into fridge 2 hours. And next point is, how long can I keep those chocolates? A homemade chocolates are preservative free. You are recommended to consume them within a week or 2 of purchase. You can check with the retailer about the half-life before buying. Then you can take chocolates in the plastic bowl. Preserve those chocolates in a normal temperature in a fridge or in dry place. You can distribute those chocolates to children, to elders randomly. This is the information regarding chocolates. Chocolates is also a very profitable business, but you should not provide regularly and continuously to children also. But randomly you can give to children, it is okay. But if you are giving daily, regularly chocolates, means they will also be affected with sugar. And the elders also can take the chocolates very well. It will give joy and refreshment to the mind, but you should be in control. Randomly they should take. Then it will be healthiest and prosperous to all. Wishing you all the best.